Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to unclip the seat belt from the seat in an Audi A4 B8 from 2010. Okay, now with the seat fully in the forward position, we pry out the plastic that's covering this thing. It has two clips, one on a side and one on the other, and actually one there in the middle, but we don't deal with that, it comes out by itself. I just pried everything apart by putting a flathead screwdriver between this plastic and the metal through this edge. And there's that. And let's see how we get this thing out. I think it has something to do with this sheet metal. I think it needs to be, yep, for sure, that's what it is. You need to pull it towards us, slide this thing down, and it's out. So this thing latches onto that, and it's done. Now let's get this thing back in place. Make sure it's straight up to there, and this plastic needs to be higher on it so it doesn't bother you. You insert it, come on, zoom in there. You insert that thing where the hole is wide, and then pull it upwards, and as you can see, it, no matter what you try, it will not go down, so it's locked in position. And now you come with the top plastic cover on it, and I think I would need to move the seat forward because I don't have enough room in here. Sorry about that, the seat is already to the maximum in the forward direction, so you need to lower the plastic as much as you can and push on it to actually clip it in place. And yeah, it will take a bit of time to wiggle it around until you find its location, but yeah, that's it. It doesn't make a really satisfying clip, but it is clipped, as you can see, not moving anywhere. So there's that.